Our Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and a good deal. Features also include keyless entry, alloy wheels, cruise control, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2013 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.